So in this screen recording, I'm just going to show you the resources that I've used and the references and sites for my lesson plan. So the first website is the NASA website. And in the NASA website, it would show you the phase of the moon depending on the month, day, and hour. So you could put in, say, your birthday. Let me use that for example. So month would be 8, day would be 4. So in 2020, my birthday is going to actually have a full moon. Huh. And if you keep scrolling down, it has videos that can show you how the moon is going to be revolving around the earth over the past year. And then if you go all the way down, this part shows you the different phases. So this would be a waxing crescent. And you could download a picture to your computer of the moon. So that's the NASA website. The next website goes more into depth about the moon phases. So if you click on, say, waxing crescent moon, it will tell you more in detail about how the crescent moon is formed, um, and how it would look on the Earth. So that's for the waxing crescent moon. So if you go back to my websites, the characteristics of the moon could be found on this one. And this one just tells you more about the physical characteristics of the moon. So the size, distance to Earth, the density, temperature, gravity, um, just the characteristics of the moon. And in my last website, this tells you fun facts about the moon, and it tells you more about eclipses and special cases and more information about the moon. So all these websites don't have all phases. They all have different information included into these websites.